Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself KamalJeet. So today's video is a hair mask which will help in hair fall, hair conditioning, also help in reduction of your dandruff. So let's get started with it. Ingredients require 2 eggs and 6 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of lemon that are optional. First take 2 eggs and beat it properly with the help of a spoon or whatever you have, and this hair mask is likely to get rid of your hair fall issues. Eggs and curd together not only strengthen weakened hairs, but curd has properties to prevent hair fall and keep dandruff at bay, beside being a great conditioner. This is a great mask for your hairs. So then we'll add curd after beating properly eggs and mix it properly. You will keep mixing it properly till it is in a cream form and apply it on your hairs. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, that is optional if you have lot of dandruff. So for now applying this mask, first of all comb your hairs properly with a brush or so. Just take a brush and the paste which you have made, like this, apply all over your scalp, which will be remaining. You can apply it on your hair's length. So yes, I'll apply it all over my scalp. So now I've applied all over my scalp. Now I'll apply it on my length area. So the same method, take little hairs and with the help of brush, just with the hands. Now remaining one I'll just so I've applied all over my hairs. Now I'll keep it for 1 hour, then I'll wash my hairs. After 1 hour I'll show how my hairs are after washing it. As you can see previously how it was, and now I'll show it. Okay, I'll just do a juda and I'll just leave it for 1 hour, and after that I'll wash it and then we'll see. So these are my hairs. I've washed it with shampoo and this is air dried. Now I'll comb it. So after cleaning my hairs, see, these are the hairs. I normally air dry. I have not applied anything on my hairs after washing it, and you can see the volume created over here. Yes, it's become a bit soft due to the egg, and curd has removed the dandruff whichever little bit was there on my head. So yes, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and comment below what all videos should I make. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button to get notifications. So bye bye.